id word family. What does it mean when words rhyme? Click on the three pictures that rhyme. First picture is hid. Second picture is pot. Third picture is kid. Fourth picture is lid. Fifth picture is fan. So, the three pictures which are rhyming with each other are hid, kid, and lid. Pot and fan are not the rhyming pictures. Now, what do you notice about the words hid, kid, and lid? And why don't the words pot and fan rhyme? Now, what letters are the same in each word? So, click on the letters. The first picture is bid, second picture is mid, third picture is rid. So, which letters are common in all these three words? Id, id, id. So, when vowel I comes with letter D, then the sound of I and D is a, d, id, id. Now say the sound together. Id, id. Let's sound out some words with id. D, id, did. Sk, id, skid. Gr, id, grid. Sl, id, slid. Now short sentences with id family words. The can has a lid. I am a boy, not a kid. I slid on the ice. She did her homework. I want to get rid of the flies. Now look at the following pictures. Which ones have the id sound and which ones do not? Slid, bid, bat, rabbit, kid, and hat. Bye bye.